Imagine a child vividly recounting memories from a life they never lived, a phenomenon that scientists around the world are rigorously studying, challenging our very understanding of consciousness and the limits of human experience. Reincarnation, traditionally viewed as a spiritual or religious concept, has increasingly drawn scientific interest, particularly from researchers studying children who spontaneously recall past lives. Dr. Ian Stevenson, a psychiatrist at the University of Virginia, pioneered this field in the 1960s by documenting thousands of cases of young children describing detailed and verifiable memories from previous lifetimes. These memories often emerged between ages 2 and 5 and intriguingly faded by the age of 7, paralleling developmental stages of brain maturation. One of Stevenson's most compelling cases involved a Sri Lankan girl who vividly described living as a man who died tragically after being struck by a bus. Her claims, initially dismissed by her parents, were later substantiated when she provided detailed, accurate information about the deceased man's life, including names, locations, and personal experiences unknown to her family. Stevenson's meticulous research methodology involved carefully documenting the children's statements, then independently verifying their accuracy against historical records and eyewitness testimony. More recently, psychiatrist Dr. Jim Tucker expanded upon Stevenson's work by incorporating modern psychological tools and statistical analysis. Tucker discovered remarkable consistencies across cases. Children frequently recounted traumatic or sudden deaths from their purported previous lives, often exhibiting phobias or behaviors that match the cause of death. In a notable American case, a young boy named James Leininger recounted astonishingly specific details of being a World War II fighter pilot. At just 2 years old, he accurately described military equipment, the aircraft carrier he served on, and even identified his former wartime friends by name. Subsequent research confirmed these details through military records, leaving scientists intrigued and baffled. Neurological studies have sought to explain reincarnation scientifically, hypothesizing that consciousness may exist independently of the brain, a radical notion within traditional neuroscience. Some researchers suggest quantum theories of consciousness, proposing that memories or experiences could potentially persist beyond biological death, encoded within a universal quantum field. While these ideas remain speculative, they offer plausible frameworks for the transmission of experiences across lifetimes. Despite skepticism and ongoing debates, the meticulous collection of data on reincarnation continues to intrigue even hardened skeptics. The accumulating evidence from rigorous research poses compelling questions about consciousness, identity, and the nature of life itself. Whether reincarnation is ultimately understood through quantum physics, neuroscience, or psychology, the scientific exploration of past life memories continues to challenge conventional wisdom, suggesting that our existence may be more mysterious and interconnected than we ever imagined.